Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle Community. First, let's get you comfortable with the dashboard. You'll see your main feed, notifications, and direct messages. Next, explore the left sidebar to find different spaces or groups. Click on any space to see its content and members. To engage, simply click on a post to read comments or add your own thoughts. It's designed to be intuitive, helping you connect quickly. Now, let's dive into creating and interacting. To start a new conversation, look for the New Post button, usually at the top of a space. You can choose to write a post, ask a question, or create a poll. When you see a post you like, click on it to read comments or add your own. Don't forget to use reactions like or celebrate to show appreciation. For private conversations, direct messages are available. Personalizing your experience is key. Head to your profile by clicking your avatar, usually in the top right corner. Here, you can upload a profile picture, write a short bio, and add links to your social media or website. Next, check your notification settings to decide how often you receive updates from different spaces. You can choose email, in-app, or push notifications. Finally, review privacy settings to control who sees your activity. To truly maximize your Circle experience, try using the advanced search function. It helps you pinpoint specific topics, posts, or even members quickly. Also, keep an eye out for live events or workshops. Many communities host these directly within Circle, offering valuable learning and networking opportunities. And speaking of enhancing your space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring smart home convenience to your daily life, making your environment more responsive and enjoyable. Don't miss out on these helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.